Hey there, want to learn how to make this? Let me teach you. First, you start by selecting your pen tool with P on your keyboard and then masking out around your desired shape. With your mask selected, go to Path. Click on the little icon you see there while holding down Ctrl or Command. Now you can come back and then mask out your item. You can now create a copy of your layer by clicking Ctrl J and invert its mask by clicking Ctrl I. If you see a white border around the characters, you can just double click on the mask and then it will open out some settings. Play around with the settings till you achieve satisfactory results and click OK. Now let's add an exposure layer above our background. Lower the value to make your background stand down and your foreground stand out. Don't forget to rename your layers to characters and background respectively. After writing your text, what you want to do is create a group and put your text in it. You will create two other layers, one named red on top and one named cyan below. Double click on the layer red and then you'll pull out the layer styles. In the layer style panel, what you want to do is turn off the green and the blue values, and in the cyan panel, what you want to do is turn off the red value. From there you can move on the colors as pleased so that you can achieve the desired results. Now move the text group between the characters and the background. Now the only thing that remains is color grading and color correction. What you will do is by clicking Ctrl Alt Shift E on your keyboard or Command Option Shift E on your Mac, you will create a new layer containing all the other layers. You will convert it to a smart object by right clicking on it. Now you can add your noise over it by going to Filters and Noise. And after that, you can also add your texture as follow. The last step consists in bringing your character layers above everything. And what you will do now is go into the camera raw filters. Play with the value just as I show here. What you want to do generally is increase a bit of the exposure by a little bit. Increase the highlights, increase the shadows, increase the white, usually decrease the black. Play around with these settings as you want. Add some texture, clarity, vibrance, and then you will just add details, and then that will be that.